So what are we learning today?
Everything. I've never really driven before.
Okay, cool. It's perfect. Oh, 1, 2, 3. See how you looking straight like I was just saying. Bam. And we didn't slow it down when we were turning. A little bit more. Give me a right on this street here. Blinker on. Slow it as we approaching and checking. We good? Let's roll. Nah. That wasn't good. We got to slow that down a little bit more as we turning it and gas it through. Left blinker on, check that blind spot. Stay in your lane. Hold it down. There you go. What roll? Gas it through. There you go. Move. Is this how you expected it to be?
It's a little easier than I thought it was the first time I drove.
Okay. This is a double stop. So this is the first legal stop. Then you move all the way up till you can see in both directions and stop again. Because that stuff there is blocking our view. Bam. You can't see yet. Pull it up some more so you can see all the way down there. See that?
Yeah.
Now you good to go. Check it, rock and roll. Look where you're going and move it there. Move them hands. There you go. You look where you going, not ahead, like we did that first time entering this road that caused us to do that L. There you go. We're gonna pass this first street and then we're gonna be turning onto the second street. Gotta make sure you're slowing it down. We're turning right. Put that right blinker on. There you go. Make sure we're slowing it down. Slowing it, rotating it. There you go. Yeah, we gotta tighten that up so we can stay to the right of the road. Stay to the right, and we're gonna be making a left coming up. Other left. There you go. Stay right. There you go. Check. We good. Oh, that's fast. Oh, we gotta ease into that a little bit more. We're gonna be turning right at the street, all the way up. That's the thing. Push it all the way up. There you go. Hold it down while you're checking. Ease it up just enough to check. We checking. We good. Let's go. Move them hands. Inside. Move them hands. Yeah, we gotta tighten that up. We don't want to go out that far. Straighten it up. You'll get it. I'm gonna make a right onto Grand River. Put that blinker on for me. There you go. Ease it up. Towards the right as we check it. Blinker on. Ease up so you can see. If it's clear, we rock and roll. Let's roll it. 1, 2, 3. See these rights is throwing me off. Straighten it up. And stop. Pull alongside this Jeep. Slow it down, trunk to trunk. Stop. Bam, put that right blinker on for me. Let's parallel park. Put it in reverse. So once you have your trunk aligned with the vehicle you're parking next to, turn the wheel all the way to the right. As far as it'll go. There. Now, we're looking for that curb we're going towards in that driver's side mirror. As soon as you see it, stop. We should be at a 45-degree angle. Let's go.
So just let go of the gas? I mean the brake?
Yes. A little bit more. A little bit more. Give it a little gas. Tap, stop. Bam, that's a 45-degree angle. Straighten up the wheel. All the way up. One more time to the left. There. Straighten it out. Bam. And now, yellow marker has to get close to the snow line. So this is what moves us closer to that curb. Let's back it up. Look at how it puts us behind this vehicle here. Keep it all the way back. And stop. All the way to the left now. And look at this outside mirror. Once it straightens up, we're good. Keep it left. And look here as you back up. Once that's straight, we're good. Wow. See that?
Yeah.
And that's it. Straighten up your wheel. Now you're straight.
Okay.
There. Understand it?
Yeah.
All right. Let it in drive. Keep your. There. Put the left blinker on. Turn it all the way left. There. Ease it out. Check that blind spot. Let's roll. You gotta move your hands a little quicker. We're gonna turn left onto this street. We have a yield, so we won't be coming to a complete stop. We're just slowing it down so that we can check to see if anyone is coming from the opposite direction. And we good, let's roll. Boom, 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 gas through, straighten up. We'll get there. We'll get there. But you see, you're not doing as bad as you thought you'd be doing. So we just build on that. Keep rolling. Now we're gonna work on those lane changes. We're gonna lane change to the left. Put that blinker on. Blind spot check. Bam, they didn't get it in there. Blind spot check has to happen after the mirror check. Kill the blinker. Keep it rolling. There you
So
go.
blind spot check after the mirror.
Yep, and then you have to go. Let's lane change to the right.
Blind spot. Mirror, blind spot, go.
Yep.
Mirror, blind spot.
Watch it. Hold it here first. Because what happened is when you look, you moved. You moved them shoulders. We just looking back with our head. Quickly. Slow it down. Kill the signal. Straighten it out. There you go. Hold it down. I wasn't even going to put you on the freeway. I'm putting you on there now. Put that right blinker on. You shouldn't even say that. Slow it down up here for me. Slow. Easy. Ease it up some. Ease it up so we can check it. Let's roll. Look where you're going. Let's go.
I can just go?
Yeah, let's roll. Move them hands. Straighten it up. Stay focused ahead and pick up your speed. I ain't say that. You're looking everywhere else. Look ahead. Stay in your lane. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Stay focused here. Left blinker on. Check that blind spot. Stay in your lane. Hold it down. Kill the signal. It's smooth. There. Just relax. Keep it rolling. Pick it up, pick it up. And just look around the vehicle. Make sure you know where you are with things. Too far right. Check those outside mirrors to make sure you're in your space. You got this. Keep it rolling. Stay in your lane. There you go. Pick up that speed a bit. Stay focused ahead. Stay in your lane. You're too far right. Relax. Just breathe. Keep rolling. There you go. Check this outside right mirror and just make sure you're staying within your space. Don't stare straight ahead. Relax. That's when you make mistakes, when you just zone out like that. Look around, because we have to look at which way the road curving. There you go. Ain't too far. And just relax. There you go. We're going to be lane changing to the right. Blinker on. Check that area. And ease it, especially on the freeway. It gotta be more of an ease. Kill that signal. Keep it rolling. It'll go off. There you go. As we go around this right, stay towards that right. Picking it up. Check that outside left. Watch it. And just stay in your lane. There you go. Watch it. Can you see better? Okay, check this outside mirror, make sure no one's coming. Just like that. And we're coming up at the next exit. Remember, don't stop on that exit ramp. Put that right blinker on for me. And keep that ramp all the way up. You got this. On and off that freeway. Alright, watch it. Bingo, take it up. Straighten her out. Coast, come off gas. Start preparing to stop. Stay in that first lane. Slow her down. Nice and easy. All the way up. All the way up. Slow her down. Nice and easy. Stay in your lane. Bam! Kill the signal. Let's roll. Make a left. Blinker on. Left. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Get on the opposite side. Slow it down. Slow it down. You got it. Get it in there. Bam. Lane change left. Get to the left. There you go. Straighten her up. Straighten her up. Slow her down. Because we're going to be making a left. I got to make sure you can identify where that is and how we're going there. Let's roll. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Slow it, straighten it out. Ooh, you twitch lanes. We're supposed to stay there. Keep it rolling. You ain't look this time getting over. Keep it rolling. There we go. We're getting back on that freeway. Keep straight ahead. Straight ahead. There you go. Only focus ahead and picking up your speed. Scoot it left, son. There you go. No, don't look there yet. Stay here. Left blinker on. Now start looking to see if you got that. Watch it. Check it, check it. Get it here. Watch it. We're good. Keep it rolling. It's not that hard. You got this. Watch where we're curving. Stay towards the way we're curving. There you go. Inside.